ball. BLL ball. C for cat. CAT cat.
What are you doing, Ringu?
I am learning alphabets and words.
No need to learn.
Go to the field and clean up the garden. Go.
Boss. Me? What is your name?
What's your name?
Why are you asking my name?
To know whose letter is this?
My name is Ramu. My name is Ramu.
Yes, this is your letter. Please sign.
You cannot sign. Oh God, I don't know to read this letter. What should I do? Who will read this letter for me?
Hey, come here. Read me this letter. No, I have to reach Amlapuram. I have no time because I will read in evening because I cannot see properly in the morning. Read this letter for me. What are you doing, Babu?
I am waiting Wi-Fi signal, man.
What? What signal? It does not need any signal. Tell me that you don't know how to read. Go. Please tell me what is written in the letter.
How to tell the man that I am illiterate?
Tell me, you also cannot read the content of the letter. Go. To whom should I ask to read this letter?
Boss.
Read me this letter. And please tell me what is written.
Dear Ramu, your father-in-law and mother-in-law.
Hey, go.
Dear Ramu, your father-in-law and mother-in-law convey their blessings to you, your wife. Dear Ramu, your father-in-law and mother-in-law convey their blessings to you. Your wife has given birth to twins in nearby hospital.
Thank you, postman, for your right time.
Educate your child and send him to school so that you will well pick the fruits.
Okay.
How could you see how he to face difficulties because he is illiterate? So it is important to learn to read and write. Everyone here gathering must able to read and encourage illiterate peoples around them to read and write. Let us follow the policy of
Each one, teach one.